From Kasol, we came to this beautiful place which is near Manali. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Himachal series, and you must be wondering where I am and where is this beautiful background from. Then this is a resort in Shanag, a small village near Manali, and I am here, and just look at this state. Chalet Windflower is a beautiful rustic wooden property in the village Shanag near Manali, and this cottage is so pretty. The decor inside is also so rustic, and these are the pine cones, dried pine cones, and this is the restaurant and bar area, and it is also very elegant. And the most amazing part here was the jacuzzi. It was absolutely amazing. A stay with such stunning views around, what else does anyone need? I just had my breakfast, pancake with peanut butter and banana, and now I'm having tea. The ambience in this stay is very nice, and I'm going to surely come here with Sudhi and Dhiru, maybe for our birthday or when it snows here. Usually they say it snows from November to February here, so in those months I am planning to come here again, so let's see. For now, and that's not it. Evening we went out for a walk, and what should I say? आप ही देख लो. Just look at this place. I'm somewhere lost in a dreamland.
Wow, these are the beautiful hydrangeas.
Look at that. Look at that. Namaste, auntie.
नमस्ते जी।
There was not even a proper path. I didn't even knew where we were going, but we were just beautifully lost somewhere.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग?
पता नहीं, उसके पीछे चलते जाओ बस।
And we are on the road, so that was a shortcut. I would never suggest anyone to take shortcuts, but if it is that beautiful, you should take that shortcut. We came to this dream village. This is not the end. पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
Okay, do you know which plant this is? Comment करके बताना if you know the answer. And I got a handful of apricots back to Bangalore just for Dhiru. And on that note, I am ending this episode right here. I'll see you in the next episode of Himachal series. But you don't forget to like this video and subscribe it and do share it with your friends. See you in my next video.